Two of the hottest AI names in 2025, Claude and Leonardo, stand head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Claude, safety-first AI for advanced text tasks. And on the right, Leonardo AI, a creative powerhouse for stunning visuals. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So, check this out. Here's the mind map for today's breakdown. We're looking at use case specialization, model capabilities, creative features, safety and compliance, pricing and access, and of course, market share and popularity. Trust me, by the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves that spot in your workflow. All right, to kick things off, use case specialization. Claude, oh man, it's seriously tuned for long-form reasoning, document analysis, and that super safe enterprise chat. It handles both text and images now, but honestly, if you're dreaming of mind-blowing art, this isn't your guy. Now, Leonardo AI, this is the creative beast. It's like the go-to for generating images, textures, even full-on concept art for games. Creative pros and artists swear by it. But if you need serious natural language conversation or deep text analysis, it kind of falls behind. So this round, honestly, it's a tie. Next up, model capabilities. Claude's latest models, Sonnet, Opus, they've got huge context windows, like up to 200,000 tokens. That is wild. Constitutional AI makes it super helpful and, let's be real, not likely to go off the rails. The image thing, though, it's just basic context. Don't expect much. Meanwhile, Leonardo has a bunch of custom models, Phoenix, Photoreal, Lightning XL, each with their own vibe, and you get live gen and advanced controlling. Still, for hardcore document logic or business-grade processing, nah, Claude's just better. So, for model capabilities, Claude takes it. Now, creative features. All right, Claude can explain images and sort of analyze what it sees if you feed it a pic, which is cool, but come on, no real image generation to flex on. Leonardo? Dude, this is where it shines. Photorealistic, hyper-real, insane artistic control, all the bells and whistles. Aspect ratios, layers, transparency, you name it. Yeah, if you want to tweak at pro level, you're going to spend a minute learning the ropes, but that's part of the fun. Leonardo's way ahead here. All right, pause for a quick fun fact. Did you know Leonardo's Phoenix model can make images that rival top human artists? Meanwhile, Claude's massive context window can literally process an entire novel in one go. So yeah, these are not your average AIs. Let's talk safety and compliance. Claude is for people who like things safe, enterprise grade, so you don't have to worry about anything sketchy or weird popping up. AI safety, ethical alignment, all that good stuff. Some folks might think it's a bit restrictive, honestly. But hey, rules matter in business. Meanwhile, Leonardo does add some moderation. And for images, that's great, but it's just not as laser-focused on reducing harm from text. Honestly, if compliance matters, Claude's your pick. On to pricing and access. Both have free tiers, which is pretty sweet. Claude tends to be more budget-friendly if you're dealing with loads of documents or a ton of chat. That said, the free version has limits if you're going advanced. Leonardo lets you generate cool art for free, but if you really want to dig into the pro models or go high volume, you'll have to fork out some cash. Oh, and its integration with Canva? Super cool, but could make things pricier depending on what features you want. So yeah, it's honestly neck and neck here. Last one, market share and popularity. Claude is kind of the up-and-comer in chatbot market share, slowly climbing and solid with anyone who lives and breathes text. But in creative circles, not quite the leader. Leonardo's just exploded, especially since Canva swooped in. It's the most popular AI art generator right now, hands down, and super dominant with artists and designers. If you care about what everyone's using, Leonardo's the hype train to catch. Let's map this all out visually. From pro strengths to surprise gaps, Claude edges out in text and safety. Leonardo rocks for art and market buzz. The radar chart's kinda wild. See how the strengths stretch out. Clear as day where each one dominates. Honestly, there's no one-size-fits-all winner here. If you want deep language smarts and business reliability, Claude is your move. If stunning visuals and creative freedom make your heart skip, Leonardo is the obvious choice. For most, you'll probably end up using both side by side. Did you dig this breakdown? Hit subscribe, stay around for more AI showdowns. There's way more coming up, so hang tight.